What's up, gang? What's up, school? Back with my first video, guys. So today I'm going to be doing a lame prank on my sister. I had so many video ideas, but this is the best one I could think of. So technically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get a water bottle, put a hole in it, and I'm going to be like, achoo, and I'm going to put some on her, and she's not going to be expecting this, but it's coming for her, so yeah. I'm gonna do this within the next hour. So, like, guys, yeah, it's not gonna take that long. This video hasn't even been a minute. So, yeah, let's get started. I'll just grab this because at the end I can just drink it. I don't know if I could, like, poke a hole in it or whatever. Like, I was gonna be like, achoo! Achoo! Like, perfect. Like, it just... Oh my god, I'm sorry. Okay, perfect. But I don't know how to, like, set up the camera or bring... Like, oh my god, I feel like I have to sneeze. Achoo! Oh, I'm sorry. That's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So, without further ado, let's get started. And she's on the phone with her boyfriend. She's gonna run after me, so I gotta have like everything like guys, you don't even know my sister. Well, I got the hole ready and I think so. Can't be scared, right? Oh, what are you getting ready for? See, I feel like I gotta sneeze. Look at me. JJ,
I swear if that was not on my freaking face, I would have murdered you.
I did it. Hopefully I got it. I was like, achoo, and I hope I think I got it.
Let me see it.
I'm gonna show you at the end. Oh my god, I literally did it. I was so scared. I didn't even. That was my first prank, and I'm scared. Okay, good thing she didn't run after me because she was curling her hair, putting her mascara on. I'm gonna make this video longer, so yeah. Okay, so guys, this video was very short. It's only 4 minutes right now, and I'm gonna try to make it go to at least 5 minutes. I haven't stretched. I can't do it, but okay, guys, that was kind of it for the video. Hopefully my videos are a lot longer as I go. I'm going to be posting, I'll think about it and I'll tell you guys in the next video, but I'm going to be posting quite often because like I have like nothing to do. I'll give the house tour next time because You guys, I'm just like wandering around the house. So like, yeah. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I need some subscribers. And yeah, so like, if you guys want to see me do more pranks, challenges, vlogs, comment down below. So yeah, my house is a little dirty, but yeah, bye guys.